Hey guys, welcome back to the Corel X7 training. In this lecture, we'll tell you how you can create this simple logo of WordPress. For this, once again, you will use this ellipse tool. We'll press Ctrl from your keyboard and we'll draw a simple circle. Now, I'll just put this color. This color is something like this. You can see similar to that. Now, I'll take a copy using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, change the color of this to white. Now using shift, by pressing shift, I will just resize it a little bit to inside, and we'll just remove the color, the fill color, by clicking this option, no color option, you can see here, and we'll change the outline color to this one, white. Just you need to right click if you want to add the color of this, the color of outline. Now I will just make it 12, the size of the border to 12. That's it. Now we'll take the text tool, we'll click inside this, we'll write capital W. We'll this make it like, resize it to make it large, change the color to white. Now I will change the font of this text. Basically the font color will be this one, Baskerville old face. This is something exactly like that. You can resize and adjust it now. That's not a big deal, but almost we have created the logo of WordPress. And similar logos you can very easily create. These are basic logos. Basically I will teach you advanced, some kind of professional logos and designs as well, but these are just to make you understand that you can use these simple options to create this kind of simple, very simple logos.